What's up, guys, and welcome to my series on how to get started in the washer and dryer business. I'm going to be doing weekly videos on how to get started in this business, tricks and tips for how to make more money in it. Please remember to subscribe because I'm going to be putting out videos on this weekly. All right, so I just sold that one, made 180 cash. So to break it down again, exactly what that sale was, I sold a Hot Point, which is just like a GE dryer. That Hot Point was basically the belt was messed up on it, so new belt. So pretty easy fix. I think belts for those are like, and I buy them in bulk sometimes. I get them a lot cheaper, but I think they're like between $15 if you buy them one at a time and $10 if you buy, oh no, it's less than that. I think now Lowe's has them and you can get them for $10. So I think you can get them for $7 if you buy them in bulk, $10 one at a time. So let's say I bought it for $10. I got the dryer itself for $15. So I'm at 25 bucks and I just sold it for 180 bucks. Plus, I got to cover this up real quick, but it's starting to rain. Before it rains too hard, here's this tray down. And guess what? It's got the panel that comes off the back. Super easy to fix. Whatever's wrong with it, I can fix it. And I'm gonna put a note on it real quick and cover it up. It's about to rain. We got another hurricane coming in, but it's not gonna be too bad on us. I'm gonna put a note on it. What he said was wrong. He said it's just not starting at all. So several things that could be, but it could be the lid switch. Yep, it is. Right there, look at that. It's flopping, it's not clicking, there's no click. It's 100% right there. And that part is between $5 and $10. So, just sold one for 180. Got a dryer for however you want to look at it, free or $20. But also I didn't have to drive anywhere, so minus my gas and my time. So, good deal. Other things I made sure I mentioned to them, and I have a Ring camera on. I'll see if I can put the recording on there, but I noticed it ringed in my pocket right in the middle of our conversation, so it might have cut off most of our conversation. Well, the Ring had terrible audio, but I figure I'll give y'all some behind the scenes. These guys are bringing a trade-in as well, so they get $20 off or free delivery, and they chose just get $20 off, which is cool. Very easy to fix dryer they brought me, so I didn't have to even go out for it, so I'm happy, they're happy. And here's the text messages back and forth. They called me once, and then we just shot messages back and forth. These guys are really easy to work with, real cool guys. But basically, I told them when a dryer doesn't come on, a lot of times it will be the vent from the back of the dryer to the outside of the house. And his friend that was with him like totally agreed. And he said, oh yeah, mine was super clogged up one day, blah, blah, blah. I said, before you hook this dryer up, because it's like putting your hand over the end of a hair dryer and turning it on, it could burn this new one up nearly instantly. Make sure you double check that. And he agreed, and we loaded up the dryer, and he went to get in his car, and I said it one more time. It's like, all right, just be sure to double check that. And if it doesn't come on, you saw it come on here, sometimes it'll be a lightning bolt or something will burn up that wire. If it doesn't come on, it's gonna probably be your power at your house. Just give me a call and I'll walk you through exactly how to fix that. That way, everything's established. He'll know if it doesn't come on at his house, it's probably not the dryer, it's probably his plug. He's not gonna be mad when he calls me. Again, they were super nice. I probably would just go out to his place anyway and check it out real quick if he's having an issue. But that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions or if you have a suggestion for a video that you would like to see, let me know. Otherwise, we'll see y'all next time. Please like and subscribe. Money, money, money. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and please like, it really helps the channel. And if you want to subscribe, because I'm having a lot more of these videos coming out, click right here. I also have a playlist of all the washer and dryer, how to start in this business type videos that I made, and it is right here. Thanks for watching, guys.